Congratulations on your purchase of the Tallescope Emergency Rescue Kit. This DVD is intended to show the user the correct and safe procedure for rescuing a stranded or incapacitated operative. As such, we're assuming that you're already familiar with the Tallescope. However, if this is not the case, details of further training can be found online at www.tallescope.co.uk. The rescue kit features a number of small modifications to the Tallescope itself, strengthening certain elements, such as the pulleys and the base section of the ladder. Our engineers will fit a basket front plate that can support the weight of an incapacitated operator as they are lowered. AAP will also add a double-barred pulley mount and a ladder base plate to the Tallescope. Also provided are the front extension bars and couplers. The front extension bars will allow stabilizers to be moved into a safe position to take the load for lowering. The stabilizers can be purchased as part of the rescue system if you do not already own the Tallescope moving kit. The winch should come in a case locked with a tamper-proof seal. You will also receive a rope grab. The first job is to open the winch casing. At this point, the tamper-proof seal must be broken and the clasps on either side of the lid opened. Upon removing the lid, we can access the winch itself. Also underneath this casing we see a rope grab which we attach to the Tallescope to enable the lowering process. To attach the grab, we remove the pin from the side to release the grip hook. Then we insert the rope into the empty channel, followed by the hook, and lock it into place with the pin. When attaching the grab to the Tallescope, it must be attached to the front rope above the winch, ensuring that the hoop faces outwards away from the ladder. In order to compensate for the additional weight of our operative in the basket, we must reconfigure the stabilizers before lowering. The front two stabilizers are moved from their side position and brought round to the front of the Tallescope. These are then reattached using the new posts at the front of the base frame, which have been installed as part of the rescue system. When attaching the stabilizers, they must run parallel with the frame, and care should be taken to ensure that the feet are brought into contact with the ground. Before using the rope, the rear stabilizers should be mounted off the cradle at 90 degrees, as per the traditional Tallescope setup. Now that we have a safe configuration for the stabilizers, we can start to turn the winch anti-clockwise to unspool. Once we have enough slack, we can attach the hook from the winch to the hoop of the rope grab. We are now ready to lower the ladder vertically. Turning the winch clockwise will raise the upper ladder, allowing the hooks gripping the lower ladder to come free. Once these are raised above the rung, the winch can be wound in an anti-clockwise direction, lowering the ladder until it is no longer extended. This is the first function that the winch performs, and is necessary to reduce the stress on the Tallescope when the ladder is lowering horizontally. You must never attempt this rescue procedure with an extended basket. Now that the ladder has been lowered vertically, we can disconnect the winch hook and turn the winch clockwise to remove the slack. When we only have a small amount remaining, we can attach the winch hook to the safety hook assembly at the base of the ladder. With this securely in place, we can release the latched safety hooks at the bottom of the ladder. At this point, the winch is now taking the weight of the ladder and the operative. By steadily paying out the cable from the winch, the ladder section is lowered in a smooth and controlled fashion to the fully lowered position. In this position, the operative can receive first aid or otherwise be safely removed from the basket.